A domino. And I slices.
Put his ears first. His second ear. Matthew, put his second ear first.
This one.
Yes, and his nose.
Oh! A church!
I know.
What you doing?
What's that?
Little head.
Mr. Potato Head?
Yeah.
Let me see. Whoa! Nice! Mr. Potato Head. Are you excited?
Whoa! What do you want?
Mhm.
Whoa!
Oh, wow! Nice! Look at the back. Okay, excited to open it?
Yep.
Okay, let me help you.
I did it to the way.
Mr. Potato Head.
Wow.
Oh, what's inside?
Oh, you dinosaurs inside.
What's inside? And ears too?
Under ears.
And eyes?
And hat.
And hat? Whoa! Look at what's inside. His sunglasses, and I guess it's his tongue? Is that a tongue?
Yep.
Oh,
Oh, a nose.
can you start to assemble it, Matthew?
Yep. Wait. I'm not doing well. 1, 2. Wait.
Can you put his ears first, Matthew? Ears. What color is his ears?
This one.
Yeah, what color is
Pink.
his ears? Pink.
Whoa. Eyes.
Eyes.
Now glasses on. I know.
Let's fix his ears first, and let's put his sunglasses. Whoa, cool. Okay, let's put his mouth.
Whoa. Nose and
What color is his nose?
red and black.
Red and black. Are you ready to put his tongue? What color is the tongue? What color is the tongue, Matthew?
The person nose and
Where's the tongue?
then
What color is that? What color is the tongue, Matthew? Can you put his hands first? And his ears?
glasses.
What's that? What color is the hand?
What?
White. How many hands?
1 and 2. Well, nose and what's it? Oh no, what's that? Oh, this is every. It's eyes.
His
1,
eyes.
2.
Two eyes.
Jerry, eyes, Mama.
Nice. Hi, Mr. Potato Head. Hello. Ah, how can he speak? He doesn't have a mouth yet. Oh, Matthew, Mr. Potato Head is missing his other hand. Where is his hand? There it is. Put his hand. And then his eyeglasses.
On the way.
Hi, Mr. Potato Head. Hi, Mr. Potato Head. Look at you.
Da 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 da. Oh, on. Hi. Whoa, oh, nice.
Wow.
Over there. Wow. Ada body detail.
Oh, there are mini potato heads here. Mini potato heads. Girl, this is not angry potato head. This is cute potato head. This is a happy potato head.
Mama, wood.
Oh, look at that. What? So little compared to our
That's your dog.
big potato head. Oh,